How to disable Shopify Store Password. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then from the sales channel section, click on your store. Then click on preferences. Once you're here, scroll all the way to the end of the page where you will find the password protection section. And as you can see, there's a note right here that says to remove your password, you need to pick a plan. Meaning, even if I remove this password right here and click the save button at the top right of the screen, it will not save the changes, because in order for you to do that, you need to purchase a paid plan. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so as of right now. There is no way to do this for free. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and disable password in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.